remote place or in a metro city, even in a metro railway also you can Google down and then find out that information and learn the new things which are happening in the world. And if a company manager or CEO tells that you need to do this work, don't ever tell that this was not taught to me. Of course, you should not bluff and tell that I know everything. You must certainly be polite in saying that I do not know this subject. But in my university, I was taught to learn by myself. And give me 8 days' time, I will come back and solve the problem. And that is the confidence that the universities have to build when we talk about multidisciplinary nature of education, as well as what we talk about, what we say, self-learning and lifelong learning. And this is going to be the order of the day. This was always the case. Learning starts from the birth, from our mother, who is the first teacher, and then gradually father, brother, sister, siblings, other relatives, school teachers, then high school, then college, then university. And now Google and internet, where a lot of MOOC courses are available, be it on Swayam, which is an indigenously developed Indian platform for massive online open courses, or from Stanford's Coursera, or from MIT's edX, or from any other platform. We have all the information at our doorstep. And that is a challenge as well for our teachers. Many a times today, what happens in the classrooms is if a teacher starts a new topic, some of the brighter students would have gone ahead, would have watched some videos, and then they already know some part of it, and therefore they feel the class to be boring, and a common 50-minute or 1 hour class, unless the faculty innovates and changes the style of interaction with students, the students are not going to be there in the classroom. They may be in the classroom physically in terms of attendance for the mere sake of attendance, but their minds are hovering around outside, not even listening to the faculty members. And therefore, our faculty members also need to gear up in making change in the pedagogical style of teaching learning, and that's very, very fundamental and important. I think that is a lesson for our faculty members. But students, many a times, what happens is because they know a little bit on the surface by surfing on the internet, they assume everything is known to them, and that's where they fall flat. When someone asks them to apply that in real life, they are found wanting. And that's where help from senior people who have had experience in solving different complex problems will come in handy. And that's why in the classrooms, faculty members need to tell students to watch certain videos, come prepared, and ask questions to students in the class. Whatever difficulties are there, they have not understood. Those concepts have to be clarified. And we have Razdan here, sitting in front of me here, advisor in this institution, was long time associated with National Board of Accreditation. And NBA talks about outcome-based education. That means all the curriculum, whatever is covered in the class, is not good enough. Where is that used? Where is that applied? Have you understood the underlying principle behind that? If you have understood, then you will be in a position to create applications out of that. Critical thinking, analytical ability, creativity. I think these are the facets which are important, and